The Pokemon Zacian EX tin is a compact, sealed product built around one of the most popular legendary Pokemon from the Galar region. It has the MSRP of $21.99, but most retailers are selling it close to $30. Inside the Zacian EX version of the Slashing Legends tin, you get one foil promo card featuring Zacian EX and 5 Pokemon TCG booster packs. Pack contents can vary by production run. At this time, we have 3 Destined Rivals and 2 Journey Together packs, which are quite a nice mix. The metal tin itself is also reusable for storing cards, accessories, or other small collectibles. If you are interested in those sets, this is a good product to rip. Now, let's check out what I get from the box.